Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two squares, the purple square and the green square put together, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this horizontal length is 30 units. And moreover, the difference of their squares, in other words, the purple square area minus the green square area is equal to 120 square units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded square and the area of this purple shaded square as well. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. I am going to label the sides of both of these squares. And just bear in mind that all these are squares. In other words, this length equal to this side length, and this side length. And likewise, for this green square, this side length equal to this side length equal to this side length, and likewise this side length. And I'm going to label this side of this square as lowercase a, then this side is going to be lowercase a, and lowercase a across the board. And likewise, I'm going to label the side length of this green square as lowercase b, and lowercase b across the board. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole horizontal length is going to be the sum of these individual lengths a and b, and this length is equal to 30. So therefore we can write down a plus b length is going to be equal to 30. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And now, since we are dealing with the area of both of these squares, and now let's recall the area of the square formula. Area is always equal to s square, where s represents the side length of the square. So therefore, our this purple square area is going to be simply a square, since a is the side length of this purple square. And likewise, the area of this green square is going to be b square, since the side length of this green square is lowercase b. And now let's recall this equation once again. The purple square area minus the green square area is equal to 120. And we know our purple square area is a square, and the green square area is b square. So therefore we are going to fill in the blanks. So we can write a square minus b square equals to 120. And now let's recall this famous identity, the difference of two squares. In other words, a square minus b square is going to be equal to the product of these a plus b and a minus b. So therefore we can factor out this left hand side. So therefore the difference of these two squares could be written as the product of the sum a plus b times the difference a minus b is going to be equal to 120. And now let's focus on this equation 1. We know a plus b value is 30. So therefore I'm going to substitute that a plus b value 30 over here. So therefore this equation is going to become 30 times a minus b equals to 120. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 30, and I'm going to divide this one 30 as well. And here we can see this 30 and 30 is gone. So therefore a minus b value turns out to be equal to 4. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 2. So thus we are ended up with these system of two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, and we are going to solve for lowercase a and likewise lowercase b as well. And now we are going to add these two equations. And if we add these two equations, we can see this positive b and negative b, they are gone. So therefore a plus a is going to give us 2 times a equals to 34 on the right hand side. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate a. And here we can see 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore our lowercase a value turns out to be 17 units. So thus our lowercase a value turns out to be 17, and now we are going to find out the value of lowercase b as well. And now let's focus once again on this equation 1. And here I have copied down equation 1, a plus b equals to 30. And now we know our a value is 17, so I'm going to substitute this a value 17 over here. So therefore this equation is going to become 17 plus b equals to 30. And now I'm going to subtract 17 from both sides to isolate b. And here we can see they cancel each other out. So therefore our lowercase b value turns out to be 13 units. So thus our lowercase b value turns out to be 13 and lowercase a value is 17. And now let's recall the purple square area equals to lowercase a square, and our a value is 17. So therefore our this purple square area is going to be 17 square, and that is going to be equal to 289 square units. And likewise we are going to calculate the area of the green square as well. Area of the green square is going to be lowercase b square, and our b value is 13. So therefore that is going to give us 13 square, which is equal to 169 square units as well. So thus the area of this purple square turns out to be 289 square units, whereas the area of this green square is going to be 169 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.